Panama City, Panama. What do you think so far of Panama?
It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad we just hopped a plane and came. It's been wonderful.
Awesome. Let's take a look at Panama. Rooftop bar here in Panama City.
Well, we have made it to Panama City, and it has been a journey already.
It has, absolutely. What have you thought so far?
I've already learned a lot. We ended up taking a taxi from the airport to our hotel. In fact, no, we didn't even search for a taxi. I wasn't even sure what we were going to do transportation-wise. And we're coming down the escalator or wherever. We get to, where after baggage claim, and this guy comes up and he's like, taxi? And I was like, sure?
Well, we were like, how much? He's like, oh, $35. We're like, okay, well, we didn't know. We didn't know that Uber would be here. So come to find out, after we check into the hotel, we're going back out, we find out that Uber is here, which we should have researched this on our own, but we found out that instead of a $35 cab ride, it would have cost us $6 to $8 to go from the airport to the hotel. So lesson learned. We're here in Panama City.
So if you ever come, Uber.
They do have Uber here.
We've been all over town this evening, and for what, $3 to $5 an Uber ride, whereas at home it would have been probably a $20 or $30 Uber ride each drive.
Oh, each drive, yeah, each drive for sure.
So air's a little bit more adventurous in the evenings, and it definitely takes me outside of my comfort zone. Like, I'll tour and adventure all day long, but in the evening the sun goes down and I'm ready to get comfortable and stay, and he's like, we're going out. And I was like,
we're going out. Let's go out. Let's go have some fun,
I was like, I need a little coaxing here. And so he finds this beautiful rooftop bar. Well, first he looks it up and is like, hey, we're going to find a rooftop bar. And it sits far enough away from the city that it looks at the city, and it's gorgeous, at least the pictures were. Well, the Uber takes us to this area, and I'm like, where are we going? Like, these old buildings, some of them are really run down.
You got some back alleys, everything.
Yeah, back alleys. I'm like, is he gonna take us back and murder us somewhere? But then we see cops at every corner. Families have their kids, babies out, and they're just walking around. There's ice cream shops and all these little places. And so the original rooftop bar that we were trying to find was not there. And so we're walking around this corner, and this guy comes up and he was like, I don't even know what he said. He was trying to get our attention.
You guys looking for a good bar? Are you looking for a rooftop bar and everything? It was like that key word of the rooftop bar. I was like, absolutely. So he's like, follow me. So we followed him, went down this alley. We found this rooftop bar.
Like fifth floor?
Yeah, it was fifth floor. We finally got up to the top where you can see this beautiful view of Panama City with all the lights, and there's a lot of people up there. We had a really good time.
Even though there was a lot of people, it was still a small little place. It felt very quaint. In one direction, you could see the old part of town, and then in the other direction, you could see all the skyscrapers, and it was just breathtaking. Like, for me, it was my scene. Yes, there was music, but it wasn't like boom, 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 bumping that I felt claustrophobic or anything, and just gorgeous. So we just got a bottle of wine and sat at the rooftop, and we ended up meeting some other Americans behind us, and then the waiters were nice. They were trying to speak English with us.
Which I have more videos of the waiters and the waitresses and everything, and hanging out with us and everything. It was a really good time.
Panama City, baby! Sí, pelos. Look at this guy. He looks like trouble.
are you?
We are in Casco Viejo, and we actually had asked the Uber to take us to the Canal Museum, thinking that it's the museum at the Panama Canal. Well, it's actually a little museum here about the canal in Casco Viejo. So
we're gonna go
tour around.
We're gonna go check that out for a little bit before we go to Panama Canal. Get back to you guys later. Bye.